So today at AmpQuartz will teach you what is formaldehyde and how to avoid it. So the first question will be, what is formaldehyde? So formaldehyde is a key ingredient in adhesive and resins used in engineered wood products such as particleboard, medium density fiberboard which is MDF, and plywood. These materials are often used in constructions of furniture like cabinets, shelves, desks, and tables due to their affordability and durability, which is a must in terms of engineering furniture. So why is actually formaldehyde is being used in furniture? So when it comes to the reason of why formaldehyde is used in a furniture, firstly, it will act as a binding agent. Formaldehyde are used to bond wood particles together and very effectively. The other reason is cost effective. Furniture made with engineered wood containing formaldehyde is generally cheaper than the natural solid wood alternatives. Last but not least, the durability. This adhesive enhances the strength and lifespan of the furniture itself. So what is actually an off-gassing procedure in terms of furniture? And why is formaldehyde will cause a health risk to our body? Firstly, you have to know this off-gassing in furniture. Furniture made with formaldehyde containing materials releases the gas over time, which called the off-gassing procedure, especially in the first few years after manufacturing. This process called off-gassing can contribute to poor indoor air quality and health concerns, especially to your family or children. So what is the health risk of long-term and short-term in terms of formaldehyde can cause? So for short-term health risk is going to be the irritations. Firstly, exposure to formaldehyde gas can cause burning, stinging sensation in the eyes, a runny nose, or even a scratchy throat. Secondly, the respiratory issues. Breathing in formaldehyde can lead to coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath. Last but not least, the skin irritation. Direct contact with formaldehyde may result in skin rashes, redness, or itching. So, for the long-term health risk, the first thing you need to understand is the cancer risk. Formaldehyde is classified as a carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, which IARC, and the US National Technology Program. Long-term exposure is linked to cancer, particularly cancer like nose cancer and throat cancer. The other one is the neurological symptoms. Chronic exposure to formaldehyde may contribute to headaches, fatigue, and difficulties in concentration. So, how can we actually avoid the formaldehyde? The first procedure you should take is to choose good material that doesn't contain formaldehyde. So, why can we avoid formaldehyde by choosing solid wood? This is because solid wood furniture is made entirely from natural wood and does not contain adhesive or resins that often contain formaldehyde. The benefit is they are nature-free, harmful chemicals, durable and long-lasting, adds a timeless aesthetic to your space. Example, you can use oak wood, maple wood and pine furniture, and avoid using furniture labeled as engineered wood or composite wood. Of course, the cost will be a little bit higher since it's natural wood. Ventilation of your house is also very essential when it comes to defending the formaldehyde. The other cost-effective method, which is ventilate your home efficiently. So ventilation reduces the concentrations of formaldehyde and other VOCs in indoor air. The simple methods will be opening windows regularly to allow fresh air circulations, use exhaust fans, especially in rooms with new furniture. Last but not least, install a mechanical ventilation system if possible. So the next method will be using the air purifiers. The other better options are going to be the air purifiers. So how do air purifiers help us? Air purifiers with activated carbon filters can trap formaldehyde and other VOCs, improving the indoor air quality. You should always choose a purifier specifically designed for chemical removal. Maybe some HEPA filters are great for particles, but not VOCs. Look for features like large carbon filters or multi-layer filtration. Placement: use the purifier in rooms with a lot of furniture made from pressed wood or in newly furnished spaces. So the other method is going to be using the off-gas method. The other very simple yet effective method is letting the new furniture off-gassing by itself. So, what is off-gassing? Like I mentioned just now, new furniture release formaldehyde gas into air over time. This is the most intense in the first few weeks. So what to do? Keep new furniture in a garage, balcony or other ventilated area for a few days, even to a week. Use a fan to speed up the process if the area is enclosed. This is to avoid the new furniture emits most of the formaldehyde level of the gas into your family and your children's breathing system. So for the tip, you can avoid placing new furniture in bedrooms or spaces where you spend long hours until the off-gassing is completed. So this is today's episode for what is formaldehyde gas and how to avoid it. And stay safe. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing car pantry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.